Hello, everybody. That's better. Hello, everybody. It's a beautiful day here in London. I thought I would do a little video, and a song I know is called In an English Country Garden. So I'm going to play that. You can look at my garden instead. And another song I know is called the Birdie Song. So you can see why I'm playing the Birdie Song. So the piano is at the other end of the room. So I'll turn this camera on. You can see the garden and you don't have to see me. Hope you're all well. Hello, Mrs. Lou in Taipei. Young Mrs. Lou, how are you? Right, let's get this camera set up. Let's hope it didn't turn off. I've got the pianos at the other end of the room. So the first song, An English Country Garden. Let's see if this works. It may not work. that last tune was called the Birdie Song. Why do you think it was called the Birdie Song? There's the birdie. So called the song after the Birdie Song. I'm a bit crazy, you know. Look at that for a beautiful day. And a beautiful me. Turn the picture around. Hope you like this video, everybody. Anybody who listens. I don't have many people to listen to my videos, but it's okay. I've just been eating something. Bye-bye. See you soon. Take care.